How to turn friends to followers on Facebook all at once. Now let's say someone have sent you a friend request. Now if you accept that, you will be able to see that you are friends with that specific person. But followers are a different issue. Now in order for you to turn your friends into followers on Facebook, all you have to do is to go to your profile icon right here and then click on these three dots right here. Now once you're here, you will be redirected to profile settings. Once you're here, all you have to do is to scroll down until you find turn on professional mode. You just have to click on that, and once you turn on professional mode, every content that you have, every friends that you have will be turned into your followers. Now all you have to do is to click on turn on right here. And now after you're done right there, all you have to do is to go back, and then you will be able to see that your account has been turned into a professional mode and that every friends that you have is automatically your followers. So that's how to turn friends to followers on Facebook all at once. Hope we help.